Canning carrots, a beginner's guide to the raw pack method. Want to enjoy the taste of homegrown carrots all year round? Learn how to safely and easily can carrots using the raw pack method. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring delicious, preserved carrots for your pantry. The raw pack method involves packing raw carrots directly into jars, then covering them with boiling water. This method is faster than hot packing and great for firm vegetables like carrots. It's a simple way to preserve your harvest. Raw packing is ideal for those who want to save time. The carrots retain a slightly crisper texture compared to hot-packed carrots. Let's dive into the process. Before you begin, make sure you have all the necessary equipment. This will streamline the canning process and ensure safety. Preparation is key to successful canning. You'll need fresh carrots, canning jars with lids and bands, a large pot for boiling water, a jar lifter, a bubble remover, a clean damp cloth, and a pressure canner. Having everything ready will make the process smooth. Start by thoroughly washing and scrubbing your carrots. Remove any dirt or debris to ensure a clean product. Cleanliness is crucial for safe canning. Next, peel the carrots and trim off the ends. Cut them into your desired shape, slices, dice, or sticks. Uniform sizes ensure even cooking and packing. Wash your canning jars, lids, and bands with hot soapy water. Rinse them well. This removes any residue and prepares them for filling. Keep the jars hot until you're ready to fill them. You can do this by placing them in a simmering pot of water. Hot jars prevent breakage when filled with hot contents. Pack the raw carrots tightly into the hot jars, leaving 1-inch headspace. Headspace is the space between the top of the carrots and the jar lid. This allows for proper sealing. Use a bubble remover to release any trapped air bubbles. Run the tool along the inside of the jar. Removing air bubbles ensures a better seal and prevents spoilage. Pour boiling water over the carrots, maintaining the 1-inch headspace. Ensure all carrots are submerged in the water. This helps to remove any remaining air. Wipe the jar rims with a clean, damp cloth to remove any food particles. A clean rim is essential for a proper seal. This step is often overlooked but very important. Place the lids on the jars and screw on the bands until fingertip tight. Fingertip tight means the band is snug, but not overly tightened. Over-tightening can prevent proper venting during processing. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for your pressure canner. Place the jars in the canner, ensuring they don't touch each other. Proper spacing allows for even heat distribution. Add the required amount of water to the canner. Typically, this is about 2 to 3 inches. Secure the lid and bring the canner to the correct pressure for your altitude. Process pint jars for 20 minutes and quart jars for 25 minutes at 11 psi. Adjust processing time according to your altitude. Accurate processing times are critical for food safety. Once processing is complete, turn off the heat and allow the canner to depressurize naturally. Do not force the process by opening the vent. This can cause the jars to break. Carefully remove the jars from the canner using a jar lifter. Place them on a towel-lined surface to cool. Avoid placing hot jars directly on a cold surface. Let the jars cool completely for 12 to 24 hours. As they cool, you should hear a popping sound as the lids seal. This indicates a successful seal. After cooling, check the seals by pressing down on the center of each lid. If the lid doesn't flex, it's sealed. If it flexes, the jar didn't seal properly and needs to be reprocessed or refrigerated. Remove the bands from the sealed jars, optional. Wash the jars and label them with the date. This helps you keep track of when they were canned. Store your canned carrots in a cool, dark, and dry place. Properly stored canned goods can last for up to a year or more. Enjoy your home-canned carrots. Ready to enjoy delicious home-canned carrots all year round? Start canning today. Share this guide with your friends and family, and let's build a community of confident home canners. Subscribe to our channel for more canning tips and recipes, and leave a comment below sharing your canning experiences. Happy canning!